In this 60-second reckoning of the tale of hair regrowth, I'm going to give you 5 simple ways to reverse any type of hair loss as a preview. Number 1. What is tight, make loose. This goes for muscles, scalp tension, and even hairstyles. Number 2. What is heavy, make lighter. Dense scalp needs to be kneaded and massaged. Hairstyles that are too heavy causes micro stress. Number 3. What is dry, make wet. DHT dries the fat, collagen, and lipids. It needs to be suppressed or eradicated. Number 4. What is masculine, make feminine. Follicles are feminist. Scalp hormones should tip towards estrogen to create a supple, omega-like environment. And number 5. What is inflamed, make cool. Infection, inflammation, and any acne needs to be medicated. Anything that opens up the pores helps regrowth. And here's a bonus tip. Use a topical with absorbable minerals and vitamins that are also edible for the best response. Want to know more? Click on the full 10-minute video on my channel. Follow me to get your high school hairline back.